What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Lexi back again with another video. So today we are actually reupholstering some furniture, doing some chairs right now. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm just going to be showing you guys a little DIY in case you guys want to reupholster some of your furniture. You know how to just do a little bit of it. So stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and remove the cushions off of your chairs like that. If you've got screws or something that goes in here, you're just going to remove those, put them off to the side. And then you're going to have your cushions like that. You're going to go ahead and remove all these little staples that you see right there. All the way around. There's a bunch of them. So you're going to want to take all of them off. And then you should have something that looks like this. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like after you have them done. They're not all done, but just knocking them out one at a time. So we got all of these done. Next step is the backs. Alright, here's what the chairs are going to look like after they're done, after you put all the pieces together. Got all the backs and the bottoms all put together. Got the new fabric on them. And then if you want to go with a different design on the back, you can go ahead and do that. This back part comes apart, so this is another side, and then you've got the front side here. So we did two different ones. Alright guys, so for today's project we are burning a table, staining it, so let's go outside and take a look at that and see how it's coming along. How much space? So we finally burnt all the skulls onto the table here. It's been a few hours. They're cooled down now. We're going to go ahead and stain the table to a color slightly lighter than this. Not as dark, but kind of light, so we can still see the texture of the skulls. So yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I think my favorite ones are probably the ones that peek out through here. But yeah, I'll show you guys the table after we stain it. We'll probably get started on the staining tomorrow. What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Lexi. I just wanted to drop a line real quick and throw an outro in here because I didn't have an outro for my video. So make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I do have some challenges in mind, but I've been super busy doing some projects lately. So as soon as I can get these all out of the way, then I'll be able to sit down and do a challenge video for you guys. Here's my dog. We're on our way for a little doggy play date right now. So yeah, like I said, just stay tuned, bear with me, and I'll get these challenges done as soon as I can get all these projects out of the way. So like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.